All right, Blizzard. Yeah, we got to talk, bud. Because it's been 11 years, and you've never formally thanked me for giving you Classic on a silver platter. Okay? So, you know, I'm not saying like a Lambo, but I mean, you could afford it with the amount of money you made off this damn game. But I think like an NPC would be nice in like Org or Ironforge. Ironforge would be cool. An undead dwarf in Ironforge. Maz Deadhammer. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be mint. Okay. Because, like, man, we've had Era, TBC, Wrath, soon to be Kata, Season of Mastery, Season of Discovery, Hardcore self found mode. But remember, you think you do, but you don't. Like, buddy, I flew all the way to Anaheim to be told no, and you think you do, but you don't. Like, could you have been any more wrong? I don't think you could have been any more wrong. And let me just say, like, Season of Discovery, mint, love it. This saved your franchise, to be perfectly clear. Like, Dragonflight was bad. It's not that the combat's bad. It's just your storytelling's just gone, and this has propped it up hard. And this here gave everyone a new interest in Warcraft. Okay, so just remember that, and I'm gonna keep killing these Murlocs until you recognize that. Okay, and so the blood's on your hands, bud.